Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting the fingerprint setup now. First, make sure the phone is charged above 20% and the sensor is clean. This prevents failures during enrollment. Open Settings, then tap Security and Privacy or Biometrics depending on your Vivo model. Once inside, choose Fingerprint or Fingerprint Unlock to start registration. The device will ask for your lock screen PIN, pattern, or password first to protect changes. Enter it when prompted. This initial verification is required before any fingerprint data is stored. Now you'll register the fingerprint itself. Place the pad of the finger on the sensor as instructed and lift when prompted. Repeat while adjusting angle and edges so the phone captures different parts of the print. Follow on-screen animation until progress hits 100%. This ensures reliable recognition. Add at least 2 fingers, typically the primary and 1 backup, and register thumbs if you unlock while holding the phone. Once done, the system may prompt you to add an alternative unlock method for emergencies. Finish by enabling fingerprint unlock for the lock screen in the fingerprint settings so it's active at wake. Lock the phone and test unlocking several times to confirm speed and accuracy. If recognition misses often, re-enroll the finger with varied angles. Make sure screen protectors don't cover the sensor and clean the pad regularly. If problems continue, restart the phone, delete the fingerprint, and enroll again. As a final tip, update system software. Sometimes recognition improves after a firmware patch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.